Hey YouTube. I've covered a few Fleet Foxes songs in my lessons, and I'm going to cover the one called Young Man's Game. Starts out with the bass. The bass is playing in the D major scale. And then I would say this song probably is in the key of D major. It's kind of the main riff for the verse. Repeats like 4 times. It involves a lot of real fast chord changes. So I'll explain, how to play it, but just talk about the chords that we're gonna use to play it. We got our B string at the 3rd fret. We got our G string at the 4th fret, and D at the 5. This is part of a G major bar chord, so that we're going to consider this a G. Right now, if I lay my ring finger down across strings 4, 3, and 2, that's a C. I'm playing a C chord, just like we're playing an A chord here. Well, I'm just moving it up to the 4th fret. That's a C. So we lift up, we curl our fingers for the G, flatten one finger for the C. And then we do the same thing in this song at the if you move your hand up 2 frets to the 5th, so your index finger's on the 5th, that's an A. And then when you flatten your finger, that is a D. So that whole riff is basically G, A, D, A, D, A. And then it alternates with just, so it's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3. Like I said, that repeats 4 times. And I should say there's multiple guitars on that recording. I'm showing you how, like, if you were playing it live, how I'd do it. Then goes into a little G to straight to D. Does that twice, G right to D. And then you get the refrain. Read Ulysses, that's an A. So it goes a C at the 3rd fret, actually at the 5th fret, but our little shape is at the 3rd. Ulysses. And then it goes G to D. It's a young man's game. Alright, so really I broke that up into 3 sections. We got the riff that repeats 4 times. Then you have the G to D, G to D. So I would say that repeats twice. And then we have the conclusion, which is C, A, G, D. And then it goes into a second verse. That's all one verse, and the young man's game resolution is called that little part is called the refrain. Goes the G D G D C A G D. All right, and then the goes into a bridge after the second verse. Goes like, maybe like 2.5 bars on the E. And then goes G to A. And that's where that little children's choir starts singing. G to A, that repeats twice. And then it goes. It does like the G, D, A move, and then that's how it transitions back into the third verse. After the third verse, there's the little bridge. E goes for like 2.5 bars. A to G, or G to A. It concludes with the final verse. All right, so that's my lesson on Fleet Foxes' Young Man's Game. And I think that this is, you could I don't think they're doing that. Maybe the acoustic guitar is. There's definitely one electric guitar in there doing what I showed you. All right, thanks for watching and have a great day. And don't forget to subscribe. It helps me with YouTube. All right, bye.